In 1998, BC 76, which is a calculator question, we want to find out for what integer k, where k is greater than 1, will both of these series converge. The first one is the series from n equals 1 to infinity of -1 quantity to the k times n power over n. And we can tell for this particular one that if we just had -1 over n, that series would be the alternating harmonic series, which converges. And we almost have that here, except that we also have the exponent as being k times n. So whenever k is an odd number, then you will get, or you will continue to get, an alternating harmonic series there. Take, for example, if k were 3. Then when n is 1, 3 times 1 would be 3, and you'd get a -1. Then when n was 2, 3 times 2 would be 6, and you would get an even exponent, and the -1 would become positive, and you would have a positive term there. So as long as k is odd, you'll always get an alternating harmonic series. If k were even, you would always get a positive harmonic series which would diverge. So from that we know that k has got to be odd. And so we can get rid of answers A, answers C, and answers E. Now for the second one, you have the series from 1 to infinity of k over 4 quantity to the nth power. And that is a geometric series because of the nth exponent outside of the parentheses there. And in order for that to converge, we know that the k over 4 has to be less than 1. And in order for that to be less than 1, then k has got to be less than 4. And so k can only be 3. It cannot be 5. And so the answer will be D there. So again, in the end here, k has to be odd and has to be less than 4. And so only k equals 3 works in that case. And so the answer is D.